Hey! Welcome to another Motion Metrics webinar. This is your host Cristobal. In this week's episode, we will be talking about fragmentation analysis on MetricsManager Pro. Let's get started. First thing you have to do is open an internet browser. We are going to add https://v2.metricsmanagerpro.com. We're going to enter our username and password. Then once we are into the platform, we're going to press the button on the left upper side corner. We're going to click on settings in order to access the account settings. In here, we can choose landing page or measurement unit system, either metrics or imperial. We can choose our sieve size method, either if it's maximum or minimum. But one of the most important things is choosing our time zone properly. We have to have a proper time zone in order to get our data with the correct timestamp. I am going to choose Africa Harare for now. You could also choose the date and time format. Now we're going to go back on the main menu and choose Fragmentation module. This will take us to the Fragmentation dashboard where we can see all the different shovels that we have in the account. Now I'm going to choose a shovel, which will take me onto the shovel details. In here, I get to see the logs organized by timeline or by gallery, including different log filter options. Let's check the time range filter. This will allow me to select a time range for my logs. I can go 24 hours ago, I can go past 7 days or past 31 days. Once the time range filter has been applied, we can review our logs on the timeline view. We have all of our logs organized by particle size distribution timeline. You can also apply the tag filter. This can allow you to organize your logs based on tags. You also have the option to see how many logs you have on your time range filter selection, and they will be displayed again on your particle size distribution timeline. You get to click on each log and you can review the actual log on the right side. You click on different particle size distribution arrangement and you get to play with the overlay opacity and the show overlay. Go back and forth and review the amount of logs that you have selected for this data set. Now we're going to go and check our gallery view. This is another option you get to display your logs. You can navigate and review way more data with this option. A lot of customers use it, a lot of customers like it. You get to see every log and you get to see how the segmentation was applied. There's an overlay button that you can click in order to see your segmentation or just to see the material inside the bucket, and another button to select all logs. This is very handy when you want to do tagging. You can also deselect them at the top there as well, and you can do individual log selection by just clicking on that check mark. We're going to do a nice exercise by creating a tag of these 4 logs pre-selected. Then we will use this tag to create a report of the logs. The user can create their own name. We're just going to use the date and the name of the shovel at this occasion, and then we're just going to click on new tag and apply. Now we get an icon that says tag added. So we're just going to deselect these 4 logs and we are going to confirm if these were successfully applied by just going up and adding this tag as a filter. This should pop only the 4 logs that we pre-selected previously using the name of the tag. Now let's try to apply this tag. Okay, we found it, we apply it, and yes, we can see the actual 4 logs being displayed. So the user can now see these 4 logs previously selected and tagged. This confirms the tag was successfully created and also allow us to prepare a report using these 4 logs. So let's just click on the icon from the report. We have two options, either PDF or CSV. We are going to proceed on this PDF version first, so the user can use this PDF report. Okay, so we click there, and then we get to see the equipment name, report title, tag or tags used in this report, time range settings, and we also click on generate report. Then the report includes all relevant particle size distribution data. We have KPIs, chart, p-value tables, target size, and sample logs at the bottom. These can be modified. There's a few things that you can edit in this report. The title is editable, the target size is editable. You can based on your actual target sizes, you can change this. If you're after a 10 centimeter 15 centimeter sample, you can make these modifications, and you can get your pie chart displayed and updated after you modify these values. You can also, if we go down, you can also modify the logs being displayed, the sample logs. If we want to see 10, if we want to see 5, or if we want to see 20, we can. We just have to do the modifications. So we can add and delete sample logs being displayed, and we can either choose 1 to 5, or we can choose none. Some mines do like to have none, and then once all the details have been filled, you can download your report. This will download a PDF file that you can later review on your computer. Yeah, you can save these for mine data, and also share it with your colleagues or management. So after that, we're going to try to see if we can export a CSV report. So let's just go back there, and we already have our applied filter, and now we're going to click on CSV. We click on that CSV button, and we get to see similar information, and we get to generate the report at the bottom, and we get to save this file on our computer, and now we get to review this file. So we have our Excel file now being displayed. The data from each log is included in this report, including date and time, equipment name, p-value table, Subrek and Roslin Rambler methods, and tags on yellow. Okay folks, this concludes the webinar. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please, if you have any questions, you can email me at cristobal@motionmetrics.com, or you can visit our service desk. We will be happy to help. Thanks for watching again. Have a good week. Stay safe. Bye bye.